Deleting a game in the Nintendo Switch is not straightforward. You can delete it, but it can still have your saved data, and reinstalling it might bring back any unwanted saves or corrupted files. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to completely delete a game from your Nintendo Switch properly. So first up, go to your home menu and open System Settings. Scroll down to Data Management. On the right side, scroll down to the bottom. Open Delete Saved Data. Now select the game that you want to delete. Choose Delete All Saved Game Data. Choose Delete All Saved Data for this software. Then confirm your choice. After that, go back to Data Management. Open Manage Software. Tap on that game here. Now just tap Delete Software from here and confirm your choice. This ensures no trace of the game or its data remains. And that's it. If you just want to clear space, deleting the software is enough. But if you want it gone completely, make sure to also delete the saved data beforehand. Hope you found this guide helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.